Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome to another stream. Welcome. Hi Nish. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining, and it's a it's a pretty exciting day. Hi Nish. Hi Prajwal. What's up? What are you guys? What are you guys up to? Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. Welcome again. Can you guys hear me? Okay, is the audio fine? Just put a yes in the chat. Yeah, just finished college. Oh, that's nice. It's good to know. What are you studying? What do you study? Welcome everyone. And today we just have a. Today is going to be pretty exciting, pretty fun. Today we'll have final year engineering. Are you into computer science engineering, or is it something else? I'm assuming it's hopefully computer science. What is it? Mechanical. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice to have someone from a different background other than computers for once. Mechanical engineering. It's nice. I don't know if you enjoyed, but yeah, but good luck to you. Nidhi says hi, Nidhi. Hi Nidhi, hi Prajwal, hi everyone. Thank you guys for joining in. Just wanted to talk to you guys about a whole bunch of different things. Today's one of the today is very exciting for me. Just probably give another couple of minutes before people who are trying to join can some time to tune in. Roshan says hi Roshan. Hey guys, yeah, quite a few number of folks have joined in. Thanks you guys for joining in. Just it's not going to be a very lengthy stream today. I just wanted to promise you that, or probably apologize before in case you guys are expecting a very long stream today. But I just wanted to do a quick stream where I talk about a bunch of different things, regarding the cryptocurrency markets and a whole lot of new things that are going on in the cryptocurrency space. So just wanted to schedule a short stream where we discuss about a bunch of different things going on in the crypto market. But before that, if you guys are joined the stream, and whoever has joined the stream, if you guys haven't talked to me yet, feel free to post highs and hellos in the chat. That's one thing, but also feel free to post any questions or any doubts that you have regarding any discussions. You can feel free to post any topics that you want to discuss. It's going to definitely help me, and also the whole audience, everyone who has joined in as well. Sneha says hi Sneha, hi Roshan, hi Nidhi, hi Prajwal, hi Anish. But yeah, definitely probably just give another minute for folks who are joining in, then we'll get started. But before that, I just wanted to talk about one main thing today, which happened today's. And by the way, people who have joined, if you guys are for all the engineers out there, happy Engineers Day. Today is the September 15th. But along with that, one of the biggest engineering feats that was achieved today is the ETH 2.0 merge, right? It's definitely not easy, definitely not simple. So on the engineering side of things, it's definitely one of the biggest feats that we have seen in the whole of technology space, and also especially in the cryptocurrency space. ETH 2.0, what is ETH 2.0? ETH 2.0 is Ethereum's next upgrade. So you can consider whatever was there till today was Ethereum 1, or the first version of the Ethereum. So now it's Ethereum 2.0 is the 2.0 version of Ethereum. There are a lot of new upgrades happen to the ecosystem. So there was, the consensus algorithm got changed from proof of work to proof of stake, and all those things happened, but we'll definitely talk about that. So the merge is finally here, which I was pretty excited about. I celebrated the merge, and I was just posting tweets and statuses to everywhere I can, on my WhatsApp, on my Twitter, on my LinkedIn, everywhere. I went crazy with the status updates. So this was something that I was looking forward to, So that's one of the biggest milestones of one of the my most favorite project on this planet. I love Ethereum so much, and I was waiting so much. Do you think the prices will go up post the merge? Post the merge, it can go up a little bit. Probably if not significantly more than relatively more than other cryptocurrencies. But I would say it will definitely retrace back because people understand that the merge is just the first step of making the Ethereum ecosystem better. But none of the significant things that people are expecting out of Ethereum are going to come yet. Things like the gas fees is not going to reduce, because that's the real headache that Ethereum developers and the users of Ethereum are facing. So since the gas fee won't reduce, for the end user, nothing really changes, right? For the end user, nothing really changes. But the fundamental value of what Ethereum or the blockchain represent is definitely going to take a turn. So especially with the whole consensus changing from proof of work to proof of stake, it's definitely different how people will use Ethereum. People will run Ethereum. So yeah, I suppose. But regarding the prices, it should definitely go up a little bit once people come to know about all around the world. But I'm not expecting a large boost to Ethereum prices because people are still trying to figure out what will happen to the main Ethereum chain once people switch to proof of stake. And also, as per the plan, this is actually going to go as one different shard when the sharding, gets rolled out. So that's there. Also, if you want the prices to actually go up, there should be a lot of buying and selling that should happen. At least the demand should be there. But with the current scenario of the ecosystem, you can't really do that because a lot of people who staked their Ethereum for this proof of stake new beacon chain switch, they can't really redeem the Ethereum that they staked, right? So it's pretty much locked for quite a long period. So that's the reason I don't think people will have a lot of opportunities to for the Ether to exchange hands. But also there are a lot of people trying to figure out what will happen or trying to wonder what will happen to the main Ethereum because when Ethereum underwent a hard fork back in probably 2017, I don't remember that probably, but it became two different hard forks. One was the Ethereum Classic, which was the main first chain, which remained as Ethereum Classic, which people still run, and or there are a lot of loyal people sticking to still the Ethereum Classic, because that's the main chain, and the Ether that we have had till today was one thing. Now it's people are the Ethereum Foundation. They try to make the switch by increasing the difficulty infinitely, right? So that nobody stays on the proof of work chain, and then people go to the proof of stake chain. So there are a lot of technical details which I don't want to get into there, but good things are happening to Ethereum, and I hope that Ethereum still stays on top when it comes to the platform where you can write smart contracts, where you can write decentralized applications and all that. But yeah, I favor Ethereum than any other smart contract platforms or blockchains, right? So Ethereum is my all-time favorite. It's definitely going to be. So yeah, but it's one of those tokens which is highly valuable. One of the main advantages that Ethereum has is the first mover advantage, because it was the first Turing complete smart contract platform, meaning that when I say Turing complete, it means that you can write any kind of code and have it executed on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's what it means by Turing complete. So you can write smart contracts, which is pieces of software, right? So but Bitcoin doesn't mean that Bitcoin did not have a way to program contracts, but it was very limited because the scripting language itself is very limited. You have only a handful of constructs which you can use to write your scripts and stuff. So that was not Turing complete. So Turing complete, you have all these ifs and looping statements and all this kind of programming language things that are going on that can help you write whatever you want. So yeah, as I said, today is one of the biggest days for me because Ethereum is by far the my most favorite project on this planet for me. That's what I personally feel. So achieving this milestone, it was I mean, I agree that it was long due, but also very overhyped. But right now, the hype and everything has vanished because again, at the end of the day, for the end users, it doesn't mean anything. Unless and until it solves the gas fee problem and some significant problems like that, the throughput problem, and processing higher number of transactions per second or per minute or per block would be some really good, significant problem-solving aspects of upcoming milestones of Ethereum. So yeah, definitely it's one of the highly valuable blockchains out there. So yeah, let me know what you think of the switch from proof of stake to in the proof of work to proof of stake switch. So it's definitely a big deal, a great thing to happen to the Ethereum ecosystem. That's what I personally feel. But yeah, besides that, we'll keep talking more on the cryptocurrency markets and what happened in the last 1 week. But before that, if you guys haven't followed me on Creator Club, make sure you hit that follow button. And also, you'll also get notified whenever I go live, whenever I schedule a stream, and anything for that matter. So yeah, but on Google too, they have started a countdown. The countdown is pretty much done now because the proof of stake merge is pretty much live on the mainnet. So let me just quickly share my screen and you guys can see what I'm looking at. So just looking at this. Yeah, I'm just looking at this graph, this pie chart, which says how many clients overall is ready with the Ethereum 2.0 merge, right? So back when it was in the morning, it was a different picture. So this pink red slice of the pie that you see, it was pretty much bigger and not more clients were ready. But right now, almost close to 90% of the clients are ready with are merge ready, right? So yeah, it's a good thing if you switch to relative. So right now, if you see close to 89.9%, almost 90% of the clients have switched to Ethereum 2.0, right? But yeah, as I said, good things are happening to Ethereum, and I wish that more and more good things continue to happen to this particular blockchain because that's my personal favorite. Not only for investing, not only for just as a cryptocurrency, but Ethereum is just my favorite platform from the technical side of things, so from the engineering side of things. I love to work on the Ethereum platform. I love to write applications on Solidity. I love to write dApps. I love to write applications. I love to use dApps that are built on top of Ethereum. And so many reasons to love Ethereum. Most of the coins are somehow interrelated to Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, like if you look at the market overall structure, so like most of the cryptocurrencies, or at least the bigger ones, are so much correlated to what Ethereum is doing, or Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin being the first ever cryptocurrency that's been widely adopted, it's definitely going to follow the trace of Bitcoin. So if you see right now, let me close the. How do I close the volume? Yeah. So if you see the trajectory right here, whatever the trajectory has been traced by Bitcoin, same thing is happening with almost all the cryptocurrencies that are the major cryptocurrencies, right? At least the ones that I have in this list. So same thing is going on because right now people haven't realized the market in general has not realized the variety or difference in use cases for each of these coins. Bitcoin, I don't know, I understand because it's there from the beginning. It's valued so much. So that was the first ever cryptocurrency. But Ethereum, different use case, completely different when you compare it to Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is just there as a store of value, right? You have only like 21 million Bitcoins, 4 million Bitcoins have been mined, and the remaining close to 2 million Bitcoins will be mined for the next, 100 years, 120 years. But I get it. Bitcoin's the first ever. But I also posted this on people who follow me on LinkedIn. You know that I had posted a post where I said I personally feel that there has to be one blockchain that follows proof of work till the end of the world, right? So that's my personal opinion. I strongly feel that there has to be at least one blockchain which follows proof of work algorithm, so that it's, I don't know. That's if we have that, we have references to compare how proof of stake will perform against proof of work, how proof of delegated proof of stake, proof of authority, proof of a lot of different consensus algorithms. But yeah, major cryptocurrencies, major tokens that you see definitely will follow what Bitcoin is tracing out, or Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these major currencies do. Because right now, if more and more people in the market realize, or more and more people become tech savvy and they understand the technical side of things for each of these projects, then probably, even if Bitcoin is going down, Ethereum might go up because of the demand, and more people understanding that Ethereum can be used for all these kinds of different applications, DeFi and GameFi, NFTs, Metaverse, and a lot of different things, right? So it's only a matter of time. Probably, I don't know, it might take 5 years, 10 years. I don't know, just it might go the same way as how internet got adopted back in the 90s, 2000s in India, all this time, right? So what are the chances of ETH becoming the better coin on the market? Highly high chances. There are really good chances of Ethereum, flipping over Bitcoin in terms of market cap, at least. This is just 2x. See, Ethereum is close to like 194 billion, let's say 200 billions round off, and let's say this is $400 billion round off, right? So there's very good chances that ETH can flip Bitcoin. I mean, it might take a very long time, probably like 10, 20 years, but it's definitely going to happen because Ethereum has that solid use case, and the fundamental value that Ethereum gives or brings to this world, it's not as much as value what Bitcoin brings us. So the supply of coins are created and distributed on what basis? So supply of coins are created and distributed. So I'll give you a brief of how things get started. So let's say any project or any company is creating a blockchain project, or let's say they're creating a blockchain of their own. So blockchain itself, if you just have the blockchain, there are again two types of blockchain. One type is the Bitcoin blockchain, where you just transfer cryptocurrency. The native cryptocurrency is again Bitcoin, and again the blockchain is also Bitcoin. So if you just transfer cryptocurrencies, you can just have the blockchain for that. But also you can build a blockchain like Ethereum. There are also other examples like Cardano, Solana, and the Binance Smart Chain, many different things. So you can also build a blockchain, or you can build where you can have developers write smart contract applications, right? But the main use of the cryptocurrency or the native tokens in a blockchain is for any kind of economic activity in the blockchain. So for example, in the case of Ethereum, in the case of Bitcoin, let's say you're trying to send 2 Bitcoins to someone else. Let's say I'm trying to send you 2 Bitcoins. I need to pay a certain amount of Bitcoin as transaction fees. And also the people who mine those transactions and put it in a block, right? So they are also rewarded with new Bitcoin with the system, right? The system takes care of generating this new Bitcoin. So that's a new Bitcoin comes into circulation. And also in case of Ethereum, Ethereum gets generated as part of transaction fees. I mean, not as part of transaction fees. Transaction fees is something that you pay out of the Ether that you own. The reward comes out of the system. So in case of Bitcoin, there's a hard limit to say that there can only exist 21 million Bitcoin. And if you just go to CoinMarketCap and just go to the Bitcoin's detail page, you can see here max supply. This is the maximum supply. Any point of time, probably let's say now at least in 2140, that's the year. If you see the last Bitcoin, the 21 millionth Bitcoin will be mined then, which means that only 21 million Bitcoins can exist. So far, 19,151,212 Bitcoins have been mined. So either in terms of reward, transaction rewards, or the block rewards, or in their that's the only way new Bitcoin can come into existence. So nobody can create any cryptocurrency out of thin air. So there has to be an economic, proof as to how new units or new currency tokens can be created. So, but the first time a company or a team, puts together a blockchain, they do something called ICO, it's initial coin offering. It's similar to IPO. You might have already know. Most of you guys already know what IPO is. It's initial public offering, when if you're related to stock market and all this stuff. So similar to that, there's something called as ICO, which is initial coin offering. So instead of offering the company's shares, the projects, since the project is a blockchain-based project, they do they offer the cryptocurrency token or the coins that they built as part of the initial fundraising or initial backing thing, right? So a few examples would be back when Ethereum was launched in 2015, let's say Ethereum ICO, right? First token sale, also known as the ICO, was held by Mastercoin in July 2013. So that was that's when the first ICO happened. Technically, the first ever ICO was by Mastercoin. Ethereum raised money with the token sale in 2014, raising around 31,000 BTC in July, equal to approximately $18.3 million at that time. So ICOs, the huge boom of ICOs happened in 2017 when a lot of these projects came and did their ICO. So any project that you see, any blockchain-based project, will definitely do an ICO. It's, in this case, Ethereum started out as a blockchain, and they did an ICO as well. You can call it token sale, you can call it coin sale, so many things. But so in 2014 August, Ethereum launched its native token Ether through an initial coin offering. Some 50 million ETHs were sold at a price of $0.31 per coin, raising over 16 million. So let's say this is the price of the token, and then if you want to buy into it, you can do it. If you are willing to invest, they set a price. They set a price because they have a target of what they want to do and what's the amount they want to raise. So in terms of that, you definitely had a chance of buying one Ether at $0.31 per Ether. Just imagine how amazing it would have been if you had bought that. So it's same as the IPO mechanism, right? So IPO companies who want to offer their shares just go and get themselves listed in the primary market where IPO happens. If you're willing to take risk, if you're being the initial investor, get the shares at a cheaper price. But after it goes to the secondary market, which is the stock market, at least in India, it's NSE and BSE. People start trading the same shares at a higher price because if you realize the potential of the company to be growing and all that. So it's similar analogy to IPO. ICO, a lot of different companies do ICO. If you want more examples, ICO examples. Like Cardano did an ICO. Definitely, any company that's building a blockchain should definitely do an ICO because they just can't give out the cryptocurrency tokens. They just can't give out the tokens, right? Let me share my screen. Sorry, I thought I was sharing the screen, but yeah. So yeah, ICO. If you see, Ethereum had their first token sale in 2017. Again, what is the Ethereum ICO price? If you see in August 2014, the price of one Ethereum was $0.31 when they offered when they did the initial coin offering. Again, same thing. There are a little, bit of a differences between ICO and IPO. So advantages and disadvantages. At least in ICO, it's not that popular because IPO, as common people, we all know that. So let's say LIC as a company is going public, or they are doing their initial public offering. We know what LIC is. We know that LIC is this company which provides insurance, which is in the insurance space and all that. We know why that company is required. What is the business end? We have all these balance sheets that we need to go through and all those things, right? But in case of ICO, it's limited to very few people because it's only people who understand the tech, only people who understand the main utility of that project. They have to go tech-wise really deep in order to understand, right? So only those kind of people will be able to truly understand the fundamental value of any project that's coming up. So it's limited to small audience as opposed to IPOs of companies which are for a broader audience. So Ethereum did their ICO in July 2014, and they ended up raising $18.4 million, but they did not raise it in terms of cash. So people would pay Bitcoin, right? So they raised $18.4 million worth of Bitcoin in their ICO in 2014. Cardano did their ICO, and Tezos is another blockchain which did their ICO in 2017. It raised close to roughly about $230-40 million. But yeah, a lot of these examples. So there's a difference between ICO and an IPO. What is the best crypto to invest for this week? Let's for a small amount, somewhere between 5 to 10K. It's actually a good question. You can take, I don't know, probably someone who is trying to give tips, but I don't comment on what's the best crypto to buy this week, what you can do with with an investment of 10,000, how to get a profit or all those things. So all I do is just look at the market and try to give you guys insight on what's going on, what might happen, and how to read the market sentiments and all that. But yeah, a lot of different things are going on in the market, guys. So if you see the bear market, the crypto prices went down till like June, and then it went into a consolidation till July, or probably like mid-July, and then it gave a breakout, and again somewhat trying to consolidate over there in that region from $2,000 to $1,500 region. So let's see what will happen. Probably another month or two, but we will do this kind of streams every week, once every week. So every week on either Wednesday or Thursday, we'll do a stream where we talk about week in crypto, right? So what happened in the last 1 week in crypto? So in this case, if I'm looking at a daily chart, and if you see the last 1 week, probably just switch to a weekly chart and look at the last candle. So this whole week has not been that different from the previous week, right? So the price has stayed the same. This is somewhere around $1,570 to $1,760. Again, it's moderate between the same, but the only thing is it has gone downside. But yeah, if you have various time frames you can analyze on. If you see this is one time frame, or probably that's really good. 15-minute time frame, if you're trying to get into trading and everything, definitely this is going to be your favorite zone. We'll talk a lot of different things about that. But before that, okay, I'm just getting a call. Let me just put that away. But before that, yeah, I just want to mention that every week we'll be doing a stream every Wednesday. We'll try to do it every Wednesday. We'll be doing a stream where we talk about analyzing the markets, and we'll do a weekly crypto analysis stream, right? So we'll look at the news, look at the happenings of the cryptocurrency markets, look at how to analyze what happened in the last 1 week. We'll do all those things. We'll discuss all those things, and so yeah, I just wanted to set the context for today's stream, so that you guys get used to coming back every week, and we'll have one discussion every week regarding just the crypto markets from the investing and trading perspective, right? So it's going to be really fun. I'll also gather some insights over the week as to what happened, what's happening, and all that. You guys share what you think and what your views are, and yeah, we'll see how we can keep up with the cryptocurrency markets, right? The prices at least. But yeah, so can you also show how to buy and sell crypto? We've already talked about how you can go ahead and buy, but yeah, I promise probably next month, probably like 2 weeks away from now, I'll do in my live stream, I'll do live investing, right? I'll show you how I invest, and how I buy more cryptocurrencies, right? I'll do that live. But yeah, I only do that at the beginning of the month, because that's when I get my paycheck, that's when I get my salary and all that. So that's when I invest, right? So I invest only when I get my money, right? So that's roughly around the beginning of the month or the second week of the month. So yeah, I'll show you how I go about buying and selling crypto. I don't do it because I'm in it for the long term, but I'll definitely show you guys how you can sell your crypto once you if you get into trading and all that. We'll definitely talk about a lot of different things. But people who have joined today, thank you so much for joining. And I know that this was a very small stream, but I just want to set the context at the base of so that you guys can understand what to expect from the next week same stream. So we'll do a week in crypto analysis stream every week, either on Wednesday or Thursday. Definitely when I schedule the stream, or probably when I go live, you guys would get notified on your email, on your WhatsApp number, or wherever. If you guys, so if you have not followed me on Creator Club, please remember to follow me on Creator Club so that you can get notified whenever I go live. So Yeah, but from the next week onwards, we'll analyze cryptocurrencies, analyze the charts. We'll also learn how to go about reading the charts, how to analyze these charts. These all these lines that I've drawn here, how to pick these lines, and how to draw those levels and all those things. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. And can invest very small amounts like 1 or 2,000. You can invest even 10 rupees if you're looking at investing in crypto. The same thing that you do in stocks. But you can't buy stocks, but you can invest in mutual funds, which is again like a direct investment to stocks. But again, same thing goes to crypto as well. Even if you have 1 or 2,000 rupees, even if you have like 500 or 200 or 300 rupees every month, you can definitely buy crypto, because you don't have to buy full. You can get fractional. You can do fractional investing in crypto, just as how we would do in US stocks. I mean, if you guys know that you can do fractional investing in US stocks. But fractional investing is not a thing in India. So I'd say if the price of Reliance is trading at 2,000 rupees, you can't say I want to invest 1,000 rupees and give me 0.5 share and give me half a share. You can't do that. But in the US you can do that. So if Google share is trading at 50,000 rupees, if you have 25,000 rupees to invest, you can invest in half a share, right? So definitely, that's fractional investing is one thing that you can take advantage of if you're investing in crypto. But yeah, definitely, as I said, even if you're starting out with 100 rupees per month, you can definitely do that. But I hope you start your investing journey. Early. Right now, I mean, if you're in college, if you have pocket money, if you can save some money out of that every month, it's definitely going to be something that you'll thank yourself later for. But yeah, with that being said, just want you guys to remember that I'll be back next week. But I also have a stream tomorrow for folks who are interested in the tomorrow stream. We'll be talking about NFTs and metaverse. How NFTs get used, or how is NFT used in the whole metaverse ecospace, right? So we'll be talking about that. But one thing that I wanted you guys to remember is this session is fixed, right? So every week we'll do one session where we analyze crypto markets, where we talk about what has been happening in the crypto markets for the last 7 days, 1 week. We'll do that. So this is a fixed session. But the only thing is it can be either on a Wednesday or Thursday. I'll try to keep it on Wednesday because that's the mid of the week. So that, we'll have some good amount of time to plan when the next or the second stream of the week can be. The second stream of the week is on various different topics. Like for tomorrow, it's on NFTs in metaverse, and the next week it can be on something else. The week after that, it can be on DeFi, tokenomics, a lot of different things that we can talk about in Web3 and the whole blockchain technology space in general. But I just wanted to have one stream every week where we talk about cryptocurrencies from an investing perspective. When I say investing, it also includes investments, it also includes trading, it also includes technical analysis, fundamental analysis, all those different things. Yeah, that being said, I know that this is a short stream for people who have a busy schedule. Yeah, you are welcome. And for people who wanted more, I'm really sorry, but from the next week onwards, I'll definitely try to stick around for at least, we'll do a session for at least one and a half hour where we discuss crypto. Be helpful, can you do it around 6 p.m.? I've already scheduled the session around the same time. It's going to be around 4 or 4:30 p.m. But definitely, you guys will get notified. But yeah, let you guys know if in future, I'm planning to do a Discord community as well. So probably around the next week or the week after that, we'll be soon launching our Discord community where you guys can, be more interactive and be engaged whenever you want. So with that being said, I'm also getting a call. I have to rush somewhere, and so that's the reason I'm keeping this stream short. But to all the folks who are tuned in, people who are chatting and people who are not posting any chats, thank you guys for joining in. Thank you guys for joining on Thursday afternoon. And I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. And till then, take care and bye-bye.